The option to hide the gesture hints has been removed from the navigation bar settings on the Galaxy S24. The workaround is to install Good Lock and the Navstar module from the Galaxy Store. If you are in a region that can't download Good Lock, use Find Lock from the Google Play Store. The link to the guide on how to install Find Lock is available in the video description. Once you have everything ready, open Good Lock and go to Navstar. Here, turn on the Navstar module, and then turn on the Enable Extra Gestures settings option. Once done, return to Settings, Display, Navigation bar, and more options. You will find the option to hide and unhide the gesture hint here. Let me toggle the option to show you. Excellent, it's working well. That's it for this video. I hope it helps. See you in the next one.